Before any of it happened, God allowed it. There was a council. The sons of God came to present themselves, and the accuser came with them. And in one day, everything Job loved was gone. His herds, his house, his children, everything. He sat on the ash heap, his skin in pieces. His friends arrived. They made it worse. For 35 chapters, he asked God why. Then, the whirlwind came. And God did not answer the question. God answered the man. Have you seen the behemoth? Have you walked the depths where Leviathan sleeps? Were you there when I laid the foundations of the earth? Job did not get his explanation. He got something better. He got the one who built the storm. And then, God gave him back twice as much. This is the Black Bible, Episode 4, the Book of Job. This is the Black Bible.